welcome to 90 Plus India's first animated live tuition. In this video, we are going to deal with Himalayas. So, what are Himalayas? Himalayas are one of the major physiographic division of our country. On the basis of the relief features which are present in our country, we divide India into six, which are they? The Himalayan mountains, the Northern Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the Indian Desert, the Coastal Plain, and the islands. So, my dear ones, are you curious about how our Himalayas were formed? Yeah, I will show you an animation. Now, could you please play the animation? Yes. So, the Indian plate, which was part of our Gondwana land, drifted away from the Gondwana land and started traveling towards our Eurasian plate. Yes. And finally, our Indian plate collide with the Eurasian plate and we get Himalayas. So thus Himalayas were formed. Yes. So Himalayas were formed as a result of the collision between our Indian plate and Eurasian plate. Yes. Yeah. Himalayas stretches from west to east direction from Indus River to Brahmaputra River. And Himalayas are known as Young-fold mountains. Why it is known as Young-fold mountains? Because when we compare the age of Himalayas with the age of Earth, Himalayas are no relief feature on the surface of the Earth. That's why we call it as Young mountains. And the total length of Himalayas were approximately 2,400 kilometers and the width varies from region to region. In your Kashmir region, the Himalayas, the width of Himalayas is 400 kilometers and in your Arunachal Pradesh region, it's only 150 kilometers. Okay, my dear ones, and there is some altitudinal variations too. The altitudinal variation are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. And the Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges and you can observe a number of valleys in between these ranges. Yeah, longitudinally Himalaya can be divided into three, which are the greater Himalayas or the Himadri, the lesser Himalayas or the Himachal and the Shivalik. So now let's discuss the characteristics of the Great Himalayas or Inner Himalayas. Yes. So this Great Himalayas is also known as Inner Himalaya, Himadri or Great Himalayas. This is the northernmost ranges of Himalayas and the average height of this range is 6,000 meters. And this ranges is made up of granite and these ranges are asymmetrical in nature and these are most continuous ranges. What do you mean by continuous ranges? Yeah, this is continuous ranges and this is discontinuous ranges. If there is some gap between your ranges, that is discontinuous ranges. This is continuous and this is discontinuous. Yes. So, and all the prominent Himalayan ranges were situated in these ranges, like your Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi, Namcha Parvat. You can observe all these peaks in these ranges. And it is snowbound throughout the year. And you can observe a large number of glaciers in these ranges. For example, Gangotri, Yamunotri. Yeah, all these glaciers were present in these ranges. Okay. Now let's discuss the characteristics of the second range, that is Lesser Himalayas or Himachal. Yes. So these ranges located or situated south of the Himadri and they composed of highly compressed and altered rocks and the altitude varies between 3,700 to 4,500 meters and this ranges includes Purpanchal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat ranges. Look into this image. Yeah, this is your Purpanchal range. This is your Dhauladhar range and this is your Mahabharat range. Please note this Mahabharat ranges is in Nepal. Nepal. Okay, my dear ones? Okay. Okay, and yeah. The width of this ranges is 50 kilometers and they are rocky mountain region and it is well known for the hill station and you can observe Kashmir, Kangra and Kulu Valley in these ranges. Okay, my dear ones, and the last range is the Shivalik. It is the outermost ranges of Himalayas and it is compressed or composed of the sediments. How these ranges are formed? These ranges are formed as a result of the sediments which was bring down by the major Himalayan rivers, and the altitude varies from 900 to 1100 meters, and the valleys of these ranges are covered with thick gravel and alluvium, and the width of these ranges is between 10 to 50 kilometers. Okay, my dear ones, now we are going to deal with dunes. What are dunes? Yes, dunes are the longitudinal valleys that lies between your lesser Himalayas and Shivalik. Look into this image. Yeah, this is your lesser Himalayas and this is your Shivalik. In between, you can observe, you can say green thing, green part, that is dunes. The longitudinal valley, actually dunes are valleys. Longitudinal valleys between the lesser Himalayas and Shivalik ranges is known as dunes. Okay, example of one dune is Dehradun. Have you heard about Dehradun? There are some other dunes also, like partly dune, quarterly dune. Yes, yeah, this is our Dehradun. It's beautiful, right, my dear ones? Yes. Now we are dealing with a regional division of Himalayas. These divisions have been demarcated by river valleys. Okay, yes. So the region between your Indus River and Satluj River is known as Punjab Himalayas. The region between Indus River and your Satluj River is known as Punjab Himalayas, and the region between Satluj River and Kali River is known as Kumaun Himalayas. Kumaun Himalayas, and the region between Kali River and Teesta River is known as Nepal Himalayas. Nepal Himalayas, and the region between Teesta to Dihang River is known as Assam Himalayas. Assam Himalayas. Okay. Yes. Now let's move to the next topic, that is Purvanchal ranges of Eastern Hills. So beyond this Dihang Gorge, look into this image. Yeah. This is the Dihang Gorge. Beyond this Dihang Gorge, your Himalayas sharply bends towards the south. Sharply bends towards the south. So those ranges are known as Eastern Hills or Purvanchal ranges. These ranges are covered with dense forest and they mostly composed of strong sandstones, and they are running through your northeastern states. And yeah, these are the major hills that are part of our Purvanchal ranges. Patkai Hills, Naga Hills. Naga Hills is in Nagaland. Manipur Hills, it is located in Manipur. And Mizo Hills. Mizo Hills in Mizoram. So all these hills are the part of our Purvanchal ranges. Yeah, that's all about Himalayas. Hope this session is useful to each one of you. See you on next class. Till then, happy learning. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.